yet super cool. I'm talking about this super cool Gustaf Westman popcorn bench. And all you need for this entire tutorial is only one thing, one little piece of equipment. Last time I did a piece of furniture from Gustaf Westman that if you don't know, go and check him out. He's super cool. I got a nasty comment saying that I was basically stealing his art. Doesn't mean I have a hater. I'm like famous. It's just a game where we try to recreate super cool furniture with really weird and not fancy equipment. If you're here just to experiment and have fun and learn new techniques, that's why we get inspired by super cool designers, and I hope that people and brands are flattered by it. This is what I was talking about. All you need for this tutorial is foam and the bench, obviously, table, chair, whatever you want to cover. But the foam, I bought four of them, but I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna need less of it. I'm gonna tell you at the end of the tutorial how many I used. And I also want to take the chance to tell you that I opened another different column that is called Fast Fashion Attack on my Instagram. Go and check it out, where I teach you how to do super quick and easy tutorials that last like 1 minute max, more like 30 seconds, like super quick things that you can do at home. Now, let's start with the tutorial.
As I told you, you can use this technique basically for anything, chairs, tables, stools, but in my case, I wanted to make exactly the Gustaf Westman bench. This includes the fact that it has two layers, one on the top and one on the bottom, and that's the most similar one I could find from IKEA. So I assembled the top and the bottom layer, and then I had a base on which to start.
Great guys, now that we have the pretty bench on the back, there she is, all we have to do is protect our floor because we're gonna basically spray something that is gonna expand, and we don't want to damage our floor because my mom would kill me. So put some carton on the floor.
Important tip that I did not find online. You want to wet a little bit the area where you want to spray your polyurethane. This is the word, so complicated to pronounce. For some reason, this makes it stick even better on that surface, and it's the perfect start before you go and spray all your surface. Guys, you can do this as thick and as thin as you want, but always keep in mind that this expands a lot while drying. Shake it a little bit when you get stuck and nothing wants to come out, and then keep spraying. Guys, you will see that at the end of the tutorial, I just found out that you should hold this thing upside down and it sprays way more easily compared to this, because this way, in this position, so basically holding it straight, there's a lot of air coming out. But I didn't give up and I continued for the entire surface. First the top one and then also the layer on the bottom. You want to do this on every single segment of your bench.
This was a flop. So basically, gravity is not gonna help us do it on the vertical side, so we totally have to wait for this to dry. It actually dries super quick, like super quick. Leave it like half an hour and you're ready to do the sides, tilting the bench on the side. Now guys, theoretically, once you did both the sides and the top, you are done with your bench and it's already gonna look amazing. But you know that I wanna make it as similar to the real one as possible. So the real one has a closing here and also has the top part that is wider than the middle part. For this reason, I'm gonna go and add some foam over here and then turn it around again and go and make a connection in between here to close it. Over here and then.
For the sides, I first added a little piece of cardboard in between the two legs. In this way, I had a plain, steady platform on which to go and spray my foam. Otherwise, it was flopping inside and it was too hard. This one, I'm going to take it out once it's dry so that it's going to stay foamy on the inside and the outside.
I'm so stupid. It took me the entire tutorial to find out that actually you have to hold this upside down. Like, it's gonna help you so much, and instead of coming out tons of air, it just comes out the foam so much better. I can't believe it took me the entire tutorial. I found out now that I'm done. Like, I'm just waiting for it to dry. Yes! The bench is done. I'm actually sitting on it, and it becomes super stable. Like, the texture becomes very solid at the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to join me on Instagram to ask me questions, send me pictures, see easier tutorials that I post over there, like 30 seconds, 1 minute tutorials, and let's go and see the result.